Good morning, grade 9. We are doing problem set 1 from topic 1 in that question 3. Now it says that coordinates of some pair of points are given below. Hence find the distance between each pair. Can you see this is one pair? Okay. So these are the coordinates of respective point. That means one point coordinate is 3, another point coordinate is 6. And we are going to find distance between those 2 points. Now how will we go about it? It's very easy. We have already seen how to find distance. So distance is nothing but greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. In case of first question, 6 is greater. So how will we do? 6 is greater than 3. So distance between these 2 points is 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. I am telling you orally, you do stepwise. Alright. We will discuss all the points. See now, minus 9, minus 1. This is second one. Which is greater? We know that minus 1 is greater than minus 9. Alright. So greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, minus 1 minus minus 9. So distance between these 2 points is minus 1 plus 9, which will be equal to plus 8. Okay. How to go about it? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So third one is 5 minus minus 4. So it comes out to be 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Now come to the, first we'll take this and then we'll go for the last. Now 80 and minus 85. Which is smaller one? Minus 85 is smaller and 80 is greater. So we have 7th as 80 is greater than minus 85. So distance will be 80 minus minus 85. So it becomes 80 plus 85. And so we get 80 plus 80 is 160 plus 5, 165. Okay, now this is little different, so I have kept it at the end, and in between 5th and 6th is omitted from your syllabus this year. So let's go for the 4th one. Okay, now see quickly. Now in all other problems or sums, if this is one point and this is another point, we have coordinates as numbers. Here for first point, coordinate is given as a variable. So we don't know what is the value of x. Alright, so we have to consider all the possibilities. What can be the value of x? Another coordinate they have given as minus 2. So what is first possibility? This x can be greater than minus 2. So first case, if x is greater than minus 2, then distance between this will be greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So it will be x minus minus 2. Okay, so what we'll get? X plus 2. So this will be the distance if x is greater than minus 2. So what can be the value of x? All the values which are lying towards right hand side from minus 2. That means this is number line. For example, this is 0, this is minus 1, here is minus 2. So all the numbers from here will be greater than minus 2. So for them, the value will be x plus 2. For example, x value is 0. 0 is greater than minus 2. So it will be 0 plus 2. Answer will be 2. Distance is 2. If it is minus 1, then it will be minus 1 plus 2. It will be plus 1. So all the numbers over here, plus 1, plus 2, all the numbers, whatever will be the coordinate or whatever will be the value of x from minus 1 till infinity, this formula should be used. So 0 also comes into it because 0 is greater than minus 2. So this is general. Okay. So this is the first case. Distance will be x plus 2. Now second possibility is what? Second possibility is this x can be smaller than minus 2. So x is less than minus 2. So in this case minus 2 is greater. So what will be the distance? It is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Alright. So for example, if it is minus 3, then it will be minus 2 minus minus 3. For example, if x is minus 3, then minus 3 is less than minus 2. So how it will be? Minus 2 minus minus 3. So it will be minus 2 plus 3. Distance will be plus 1. Distance is never negative. Got it? So this is second possibility. In that case, distance will be minus 2 minus x. And third possibility, that x can be exactly equal to minus 2. For example, this is a point Okay, minus 2. Here minus 1. Here 0. So this is point A. And another point, for example, we will consider B. Its coordinate is also minus 2. That means A and B are lying at the same place. So in this case, what will be the distance? It can be both are equal in this case. Nobody is, in this case, both are equal and therefore distance will be 0. Because this distance between 2 points, there is no distance at all. Both the points lie on the same, you may say same point on the number line. Alright, so these cases can be considered. If x is equal to, exactly equal to minus 2, then no one is greater than no one and therefore distance is 0 between. It is same one and the same point. So that is the third possibility. So this various possibilities you have to consider and then you can write the answer for this. Alright. Okay. Now this was your question 3. Let's quickly go to question 4. Now your fourth question says that coordinate of point P on a number line is 7. So this is the point P on number line, its coordinate is 7. Find the coordinates of point on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from P. Now see, 8 units from P, it can be at your left hand side also and it can be at your right hand side also. Distance is never negative, alright. But it can, that point which is at a distance of 8 units, if it is at your left hand side, say that point is A. And if that point is at your right hand side, say that point is B. And the coordinate of A is X and coordinate of B is Y. So we are supposed to find the value of X and Y. Okay. So what is the formula we can apply? Distance, first we will find AP. Okay, distance AP is what? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now in this case, X is lying towards left hand side of 7, minus 7, and therefore X is smaller and minus 7 is greater. So it can be minus 7 minus X. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. But what is distance AP? Distance AP is given as 8 units. So 8 is equal to minus 7 minus X. Alright. Now I am shifting X over here and 8 over there. Minus X, if it is taken over here, it becomes plus X. Minus 7, 8 taken that side becomes minus 8. So what is coordinate of A? It can be minus 15. This will be your first coordinate. This is first case. Now second case, in this case, Y is lying towards right hand side of minus 7. So in this case, Y is greater than minus 7. So in case of distance PB, so here distance AP, what is the first case? Minus 7 is greater than X. Now in second case, Y is greater than minus 7. And therefore, distance PB will be equal to Y minus 7. But what is distance PB? It is again 8 units. So 8 is equal to Y plus 7. Therefore, 8 minus 7 is equal to Y. And therefore, Y is equal to 8 minus 7 is 1. So what are the coordinates? Either it will be minus 15 or it will be plus 1. Okay, that's your answer. So that was your fourth question. Let's quickly go to fifth question also. It says A dash B dash C. This is the betweenness given. That means B lies between A and C. They have given distance AC is given, then distance BC is given, and we have to find distance AB. Now what is our general formula? Distance A to C is AB plus BC. AB plus BC. And substitute the values. How much is AC given? 17. AB we are supposed to be finding out, and therefore I have written it as X plus 6.5. Now X value we have to find. So 17 minus 6.5 is equal to X. So X is equal to 17 minus 6.5 comes out to be 10.5. So distance AB is equal to 10.5. So from fifth, this was the first question I have done. Second is similar to first question. So you can do it on your own. That's all for today from my side, students. Thank you.